The idea behind this program is to demonstrate how a two-dimensional array can be emulated by HTML elements. In this case, JavaScript constructs and manipulates this 2D array, but the array itself exists in the form of HTML elements. Take a look at the developer tools. These are div elements, and each one of them represents an array element. Inside the start tag of every div element is the ID attribute, displayed as text content in the first line, and on the second line is a data attribute value to demonstrate how to store variables on such pseudo HTML array elements. To add some interactivity, one array element class attribute is set as selected. The background color is misty rose. By pressing the arrow keys on the keyboard, you can move the selected element left, right, up and down. To the code. Viewport is split horizontally. In upper section is header element to contain two slider input elements. Bottom main section will hold the array of HTML div elements. They are the main topic of my story. Internal CSS. All details in the comments. The most important thing to keep in mind is that the main element is the parent for all array div elements created by JavaScript. JavaScript is embedded within the HTML. Two event listeners. Input to change the number of rows and columns, and keydown event to change selected div element in the array using arrow keys. Logic section, or you can call it the function section because there are only functions inside. 3 functions are present here. It's all pretty simple and the mechanics are explained in the comments. When the whole page is loaded, the onload event is fired and calls the init HTML array function for the first time to fill up the main element with div elements. The structuring syntax and spread operator are used to pass the arguments. I scroll the whole HTML from the first line to the last one. That's all. Have a nice one.